Okay, so here this is our first exercise. Write T for true, F for false. First question: machines are made by animals. Yes. Finish? Okay, let others also complete. Okay, machines are made by animals. That is true or false? Machines are made by animals. That is false. Okay, then a second one. A computer is a machine. A computer is a machine. That is true, that you learn. A computer is a machine. Okay, then third one. A computer never gets tired. A computer never gets tired. That also true. A computer never gets tired. Then fourth one. A computer makes mistakes. True or false? All of you mute your microphone. Some of you are with microphone on. Mute your microphone. Jamshed, Shamima, just mute your microphone. Who is that? Shamima. Mute your microphone. Shamima. Who is that? Mute your microphone. Okay, then a computer make mistakes. That is false. Computer will never make mistakes. Not seeing. You just scroll the screen. You can see a picture showing the screen that you selected. Okay. If you are not seeing, scroll your screen. After that you will get it. Okay. Who is Jamshed? Please mute your microphone. Jamshed. Who is that? Okay, now all of you finish this activity. Say yes or no. Okay. Now I am going to the next activity. Second activity, that is B. B, circle the correct word. One has been done for you. Here are some sentences. In that sentences, two words are given in different color. From that only one word is correct. One word is wrong. So what you have to do is, you have to circle the correct word. First one is done for you already in your textbook. That is an example. Machine makes our work easy. Or another word is difficult. So which is correct? Machines makes our work easy. Easy is the correct word. Okay. Then okay, very good. Easy is the correct word. Difficult is the wrong word. Now we can see the second one. A computer or cat is a machine. A computer is a machine or a cat is a machine. Which is correct? Which is correct? Computer. Okay, a computer. So you have to circle this computer. Circle this computer. Okay, now the third one. A computer works on electricity or computer works on fuel. A computer works on electricity, that we studied. Electricity, okay, very good, very good. A computer works on electricity. You circle that word. Okay, then next one. Number 4. A computer works very slow or a computer works very fast. Slow or fast? A computer works very fast. Fast. A computer works very fast. All of you mute your microphone. When you are answering, that time only you unmute your microphone. Otherwise, this lot of noise are coming from the devices. Okay. When you are answering, that time you unmute, then answer. After that, mute your microphone. Okay, now all of you marked these answers. All of you circled that correct word. Yes? Okay. Now we can go to the next activity. That is, complete the names of the following computer. Different types of computers we already learned. Now we have to complete the names of the following computer. What is this first one? First type of computer. What is this? 3 different types of computers we learned, that you can see in the picture. Yes, so you have to fill the that blanks. What is that? DESK TOP. You write in small letters. Okay, I wrote in capital letter. You write in small letter. DESKTOP. Desktop computer. Yes. You did all? Okay, very good. You can check it correct or not. Okay, you can check it. It is correct or not. Okay, then second one. Okay, second computer, that is second picture, that is this laptop. Okay, what is the spelling of laptop? L-A-P-T-O-P. L-A-P-T-O-P. That is laptop computer. Okay, mute your microphone. All of you mute your microphone. Who is Geedu? Geedu NK. Mute your microphone. Okay, then next one. Third one. What is this computer? Tablet. Okay, very good. Tablet. What is the spelling of tablet? T-A-B-L-L-E-T. T-A-B-L-E-T. Tablet computer. Okay, tablet computer. All of you filled it? Okay, now we can go to the next section, that is a worksheet. I told you to try to do that yourself. I don't know how many of you have done it, so that we can check. So here is the worksheet. In this, so many, one table is there with so many alphabets or letters. From this group of letters, you have to find this word: aeroplane, computer, bicycle, camera, car, laptop. How many of you done it? Last class I told you to try it. Okay, now you can check your answers. First one is, okay, very good. First one is aeroplane. That is here. You can see aeroplane. Okay, those who didn't got it, you can mark it with your pencil. That is aero. Okay. Then second one is computer. So that you can see in the middle, computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. You draw that box over computer. Okay, now the third one is bicycle. Bicycle, you can see this bicycle. Yes? Okay, very good. You can check it. It is correct or not. Okay. Okay, very good. So bicycle. Then next one is camera. Okay, very good. You can check it is correct or not. Okay, if it is not correct, you correct it. Okay, very good, very good. So, okay, very good. Okay. Then next one is car. You can find that word here, car, C-A-R, car. Then last one is laptop. You can see here laptop. Okay, good. So these are the words: aeroplane, then computer, bicycle, camera, car, laptop. Yes? Okay, good, good. All of you finish? Okay. Okay, now we can move to our next chapter, second chapter. Second chapter is uses of a computer. So there are so many uses of a computer. In schools we are using computer, in house we are using computer, in office we are using computer, in almost all area we are using computer. In this chapter it is discussing about the different uses of a computer. First one, you can see, you can solve sums. Solve sum means for doing calculations, adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplication. In this picture you can see the calculator. So here you can see the calculator. Can you see the calculator on the screen? Okay, using this calculator you can add any number. Okay, for example we want to add two numbers. 2 plus is equal to 4. You can see you. Then another you can do. You are cancelling this and we are adding 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So you can do any operation. You can do subtraction. For example, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, or 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is the one use of computer, application of computer. We can do calculations. We can do multiplications. For example, 2 into 4. Sorry, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. You will be learning multiplication, division, so many other calculation in higher classes. Now you might have learned for adding 1 plus 1, 2. Yes or no? All of you know to add it. Yes? Okay. So if you find difficult to add big numbers, for example 1, 7, 8, 9, 5, 3. This is a big number. If you want to add to this big number another big number, for example 6, 9, 8, 5, 2. Now click equal to symbol. So this is the total of these two numbers. That is 1, 7, 8, 9, 5, 3 plus 6, 9, 8, 5, 2 is equal to 2, 4, 8, 8, 0, 5. This is a big number. So if you find it difficult to add big number, you can use calculator. Okay, this is one use. You can solve sums. Then next one is you can draw and color pictures. So all of you are familiar with MS Paint. So you are familiar with this painting application. Using this application, you can draw pictures. You can draw pictures and you can color it. Okay. You can see one picture I am drawing using my computer. You can draw any picture. If you are a good artist, you can use different types of brush. Here how many types of brush are there. Then you can select the brush or pencil and you can draw accordingly. So this is another use of computer. You can draw pictures and you can color it. Okay. So this is one drawing application in our computer. We call it as Paint or MS Paint. Okay, this is another one. You can draw and color pictures. Then next one, you can play games. In computer, you can play so many games. For example, here one game is here. This is Ready Jet Go, on internet game. So you have to start the game. So depending upon the game, the screen will be different. Okay, this is one game for the kids. So now you can move using your arrow keys on the keyboard. So this is a small game. Okay, now you are seeing this is an example for a game. You can play thousands of games in the computer. Then you can listen to music. In computer, you can play songs. For example, here I am going to play a song. Okay, now you listen to music. Yes or no? Okay, you can listen to music. Okay, then you can watch cartoons and movies. So if you have cartoons in your computer, you can watch cartoons. കാണുന്നില്ലേ? ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. താഴോട്ട് നോക്ക്. സ്ക്രീനിൽ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? സ്ക്രീനിൽ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? താഴോട്ട് നോക്കി നോക്കി. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു വിൻഡോയിൽ കാണാം. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ആ സൗണ്ട് കൂട്ട്. ഫോണിലെ സൗണ്ട് കൂട്ടണം കേട്ടോ. ഫോണിലെ സൗണ്ട് കൂട്ടിയാലേ കേൾക്കുള്ളൂ. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല? അതെ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. That is some technical problem. Okay, that is some technical problem. Okay. Now anyway you can watch the cartoons. Okay. Okay, you can watch cartoons and movies. And you can type letters using word processing software. You can type letters. For example, this MS Word is a word processing software. Using that you can type letter. For example, this letter I am typing to the secretary Pulikal Panchayat. Okay. Then because of coronavirus, that way you can type your matter. Okay. We are not able to go for shopping, so please arrange food materials. So you can type whatever you want, to whom you want, you can type. This is an example for letter. Okay. So that is another thing you can do with your computer. Then you can study using a computer. Okay, you can with the help of computer you can study. If you have a computer you can study so many things. You can use the help of internet and you can learn more things. Okay, these are the things mentioning in the beginning part of the second chapter. So now you got some idea about these things. That means, so a computer is useful machine. It helps us to do many things. Let us learn about some of its uses. Some uses are to solve sums. You can do calculations. Then you can draw and color pictures. Then you can play games. Then you can listen to music. Then you can watch cartoons and movies. Then you can type letters. Then you can study using a computer.